don't see what the criteria is. You know, to me it comes down to stereotypes and putting people in a box, and I refuse to be put in a box in that way. Do you know what I mean? Why? Because I'm over 40, so I can't be sexy? Or is it because I'm a mom? Moms aren't allowed to be sexy. How did I get my kids in the first place? You know, for me it's like, what is the criteria for when you do or don't do something? Do you know what I mean?
Do you feel like it was empowering for women out there?
I'm gonna tell you something about that. I'm on the set and I'm standing next to Iggy and I'm thinking, and we were just talking casually, and I was like, how old are you? And she was like, 24, and I was like, hit me. You know what I mean? I was like, okay, what am I doing here right now? And I thought to myself, this is a beautiful thing. This is a beautiful thing that I can be standing here right now at this time, feel okay, comfortable, healthy, in shape at this age. This is something that's, for me, if I saw this, would be inspiring to me. I'd be like, wow, look at her, go girl. There would be no hateration for me. That would, to me, would be like, if she could do it, I could do it. And I thought to myself, this is a good message, because people try to put women to sleep at a certain age. Do you know what I mean?
No,
it's not fair. It's not fair, and that's not how it should be, because women at a certain age really start to blossom. I didn't even know who I was in my 20s and early, honestly.
But you know who you are now.
But I do know who I am now.